Hi everyone, I'm Lala Bad. Welcome. If you're new here, please take the time out to subscribe. Today, I am making for you blackened tilapia, and we're starting off with the rub. You want 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is a spice you can omit if you don't like the spice. All right, so you're supposed to use 1 teaspoon of oregano, but I didn't have oregano, so I just used a herb mix. 1 teaspoon of celery seed. By the way, it tasted fine. And 1 teaspoon of thyme. One tablespoon of seasoning salt. Mix with your hands or spoon. And get your fish ready. Now, I chose tilapia because that was actually the only fish they had filleted fresh in my store. They had catfish, but I feel like catfish is just, it has like a, to me, it has like a dirty taste. So I don't really like catfish unless it's on the bone, but I didn't want to eat fish with the bone and I didn't feel like filleting it. So this was my other option. And I believe you can use any fish with this seasoning, this rub. We could have done fine with just 2 pieces of this tilapia because we split them down the middle because there is a thin side and a thick side and one side cooked longer than the other side. So I actually put this rub on around 11 in the morning and I started dinner at 5. So I did give it a chance to kind of marinate in the seasoning, if you will. And I used up all the seasoning. Yeah. And just covered it and put it in the fridge. I did have a fillet left over that I didn't cook. I didn't fry on the skillet. And I actually put it in the oven. And it did fine in the oven. I think I cooked it a little too long in the oven. But I ate it with the side of salad. So just, you know, if you, like I said, want to marinate it, cover it with saran wrap and put it in the fridge until you need it. All right. So I'm cooking this on a skillet. I've only ever seen blackened fish cooked on a skillet or a griddle. So make sure you turn your vent fan on, put that pan on high until it smokes, and then put the fish on. That's how you're going to get it blackened. You want it blackened. That's why it's called blackened fish. The seasonings, they burn, but they're not really burnt. They don't taste burnt. If you've never had it and you like a lot of spice, not like a hot spice, but just something with flavor, then this would be for you. Raul really doesn't like fish, and I try to cover up the fish taste, and this is what I thought. I thought that this would be a perfect recipe for him. He ate it with a lot of lemon. He needs his fish with a lot of lemon. He does not like fish. So this Mediterranean diet I'm on is really hard. All right, well, we served this with a kale salad with pecans and cranberry and a corn on the cob. All right, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please take the time out to subscribe. Comment down below, will you be making this recipe? Have you ever tried blackened fish? Thanks for watching. Bye.